Hi, I'm Amy Murray. This is my first school and I'm going to be sharpening the bill hook today. So I take the bill hook out of its cover and pop that down to the side of me. Now normally you would place the bill hook like this but in the crook of your elbow, but I'm quite small so it doesn't actually fit, so instead I've just placed the handle on my armpit there, and then I get this canoe stone and I just sharpen that down the cutting edge of the blade there. And then this is double-sided blade, so I just turn that over like that, making sure that it's placed firmly, and then I just do the other side. It's nice and sharp. And then that's it.